Yes. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Allahumma shalli ala sayidina Muhammad wa sayyidina Muhammad. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilman. Allahumma zukna ya Rabbi fahman nabiyyin wa hifzal mursalin wa ilhamal malakatil muqarrabin fi afiyatin wa rahmir rahimin. Amin ya rabbal alamin. No, recently I came across. First, we have some oral. Recently, I came across a video that actually purportedly. What is purportedly? That means, reportedly, assumedly, talk about Prophet Muhammad SAW's recitation of Al-Fatiha. Have you seen the video? How did he recite the video? So it goes something like this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. It's very straightforward. You can search for the video on YouTube or on TikTok. Very interesting lah. But more of the tajwid lah. I look for more for the tajwid other than that tone. Okay, never mind. There's something to think about. Now, what are your preparations for your exams? This week starting already, right? Irfan starting this week. Naufal also, right? Okay, tell me what you have been doing. Oral time. Please speak in complete
Hmm?
sentences.
As
Proper.
in, as in what?
Naufal, preparing for your examination, just even for English or for other subjects. How are your
Oh, for
preparations coming
for
along?
me, for me,
What?
I this one. For
For you?
me, usually I like take my book.
No, no, stop. I said proper sentences. That means, hey, hello. Oh no. See, my internet. Okay, that's it. Forget it. Hold on. This cannot go on. Well, hold on. I'm changing rooms because my internet here very bad. I'm switching upstairs. Okay, hold on. This cannot go on now because my internet is very bad. I have to call the telco company. Hold on. Going up the elevator with Mr. Rahman. You see the background moving behind me. Yeah, Cambridge.
Wait, is your house like those landed but then got two-story?
No, 5 stories.
Oh, but this
What
one what
story?
house? What type of house?
Yeah,
What type
what
of
kind of
house?
house?
It's called a cluster house. It's landed.
Oh,
It's landed,
wait,
but
is it landed?
I mean, you just imagine a condo, right? Condo has like a block of flats, right?
Yeah.
Mine is like a condo, but we have a house of our own by itself. So we have swimming
Oh,
pool, we have gym, etc.
Oh, it's like private condo.
But hold on,
it must be very expensive.
Yeah.
no, it's like no condos are private. There's no condo that's not private. I just
No,
say
no,
that
because
just
I this
imagine.
one, cause this one right, my house right over here. This one is executive condo. My house.
Good. As a condo is still under HDB. It's good. It's excellent. It's an excellent investment. That means later you can sell. It converts to a private condo. Okay.
Mm.
This is a good topic for conversation. So your executive condo will later
Yeah.
convert to a private condo. That's good.
Oh,
After I think about 5 or 10 years, if you live there, it will convert to a private condo. So you just make that's the exact condo. Another one is the condo. Right? Condo is private, but it's like a block of flats lah. That means you live in a condo as a block. So there's another called the
oh,
cluster house. Cluster house is like a condo also, but it's not
yeah,
in a block flats. We have each a house of our own. So we have the facilities like a condo. So condo has swimming pool, right? Swimming pool, gym,
yes,
etc. So we also have that. If you buy a private house, there's no
yeah.
shared facilities. There's no like, I mean, you want to have a swimming pool, you do it in your own house. You're not sharing it. Okay, so just yeah, like, I'm also confused by this
Oh,
concept. Okay, so yeah, so back to the topic. What are your preparations? How are you doing your preparations for
oh,
exams?
my preparations.
Yeah.
My preparations for, as I was saying, my preparations are basically reading some composition practice, learning new words. So
Right.
when the invigilator asks me something, but then in that question there are some words that I don't know. At least I at least I know what to do. At least I know what it is lah. But if I never read any composition examples or dictionary or anything to learn the
Right.
words, I don't even know what the invigilator is going to ask.
You're talking about oral, is it?
No, I'm talking about, okay lah. Sometimes no, sometimes oral, sometimes compo. Like what if sometimes the compo
Mm.
give question, like sometimes there are some type of compo or situational writing,
Yeah.
then they have questions, right, or points, right? What if in one of the points or questions there are some words that are not sure?
Okay, usually in situational writing, right, it's quite clear,
Yeah,
it's quite straightforward. Okay. The
yeah,
the the vocabulary is quite basic. The only thing I worry is, for example, for continuous writing, right?
yeah,
Narrative, where you write the composition. Sometimes they give you a topic that you don't understand. For example, let's say the topic is making a difference. Do you know what's the meaning of making a difference? Or they give you a proverb. Write a topic using the proverb. Okay, then you don't know what in the world does the proverb mean, right? That's very rare, but it can happen. It has happened before. I've come across
pro
composition topics that test you on a proverb. So like, then the student is struggling. What is the proverb, right? It may be common to others, but he hasn't come across the proverb, so he was in trouble. Okay.
oh,
So basically, when you want to improve your vocabulary, very good, you read, right?
yeah,
But I think I'm talking about so you don't worry about the composition side. Composition side is quite straightforward. You just increase your vocab for that. For oral, if you come across weird words, right, that you don't understand, you try to
yeah,
attempt to compare them to other words. For example, like inter, right? Inter means what? Inter means to what? Among. Intra
oh,
means inside. Intra society means inside. Inter society means linking with societies.
mm.
Once you know as you say, right, once you know the pattern of English is easy. That's why I say English just like maths. There are patterns, there are equations, etc.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
true. Oh
there are
yeah, yeah.
formulae.
Can I say something?
Yes, of course you can say
No,
something, many things.
but just in case if that, right, if like sometimes I don't know what a proverb is or something, right, I usually write the stuff that I don't know inside my notes. Because I have
Good,
this like one notebook, I go
good,
write science stuff, I go write
good,
math
good.
stuff,
That's very
basically
good.
all subjects.
So remember to read it back, when once you put inside that's a very good thing you write it down because it's not etched in your memory, okay? Etched it in your memory. That's number one.
Yeah.
But number two, to reinforce it, you have to read it over, okay? Read it again. Then
To
inshallah, then it becomes
memorize.
double etched, double embedded, entrenched. See,
It's to memorize, right?
yeah, yeah. So I said three words, right? That means the same thing. What is it? Etched, embedded, and entrenched. Okay? Inside, embedded,
Embedded,
entrenched.
I've heard. Only
Entrenched, the
Ashton
same thing also. That means
entrenched.
it's entrenched. That means trench. You know the trench, right? Trench is like a longkang, like a drain. So
Oh
it
yeah,
like a dig a drain inside your brain, so it's put inside. Embedded, entrenched, and etched. Etched is like etch a sketch. You draw, right? Etch a sketch. You
yeah.
like carve. Okay?
Oh, like carving.
Yes. Sakina, how are you? Wow, so many roses there, so many flowers. Okay. Now so we are doing a bit of oral. Okay, how about Irfan? How are your preparations?
For now I only do like practice papers.
Okay, both of you, Naufal and Irfan. When you talk, right, you must take out the filler. I'm sorry. You must take out the fillers, huh? You are using one filler that Naufal was using now. So now, why is it? Filler means something that you should not have
Um,
said. Like, the word like. Don't use the word like. Okay, now erase the word like from your memory when you speak. Okay, Irfan, carry on.
um, for now I have only done practice papers.
What? Newspapers?
Practice
Or
papers.
practice papers? Good. Okay.
Composition practice papers done. I
Okay,
just
good.
did also math one.
Okay, good.
English
How about for
one,
science?
one.
How about for
Uh,
science?
Science not yet.
Not yet. Okay, okay.
It's my last exam.
Oh, I see. Okay, so good. So that means you're planning well. Okay, good. So remember, you must place equal emphasis on all, because the marks, each mark is important, whether it's science, maths, English, or Malay, it's still important. It's still important. Sorry. Other words that are synonyms with important is what? Synonyms important. This assignment is important. This test is important. You must pass it. This test is what? Is any other words? Sakina, Naufal? Hey, Naufal, what happened to your video? Come on. Come on, important. That means important. Important is the first level. No, important is first level. No, second level. First level is what? Significant. This test is significant. You must pass it. Okay? Important. Another one is this test is crucial. It's
That's
more
not
important
good,
than
right?
important. It's crucial. Or this test is imperative. See, all these synonyms you must use. Okay? Important. All these are important things to consider. Okay, so that's why I want to increase your English, not just the basic stuff. That's why I noted, right, Raifan, in your writing, I say you must use synonyms now. Your English is quite good, but you must level up. Sakina, how are your preparations for examination? What are you doing? This August oral time. So just now Irfan and Naufal were using like, right? Okay, eliminate the like from your conversation. Okay, because that is the common thing that students say. Not good. It reflects, no, because you cannot articulate well, right? So you use the filler like. I tell people the important thing when you want to eliminate all the fillers like like, right? Just tell yourself, I won't be using like anymore. I won't be using anymore. Because you know why? You're actually programming your brain, okay? Programming yourself. Ta 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 ta. It's like a robot, right? It's like computer. You program, then the computer won't do it again, right? If I say to ChatGPT, don't use the word like, like in conversation, you will not use it. Same thing also, your brain is a computer also. Can do all the programming, okay? Okay, Sakina, back to Sakina. How are your preparations? How are you preparing yourself for all your exams? Hello, Sakina. Imagine I'm the tester, so take so long to answer. Cannot. You must answer within 10 seconds. Quickly.
Sorry. Just now I went to the toilet for a while.
Oh, okay. What happened there? Hey, never mind. No need. Okay, yeah. Sakina. Sakina, why ducking away? Hello. You're not preparing yourself for examinations. Are you trying to dodge or duck? Dodge or duck
Mommy,
or
I got
avert.
so
See,
much
I use
homework.
three synonyms already. Duck. Are you trying to duck? Are you trying to dodge? Are you trying to avert? Okay. Yes, Sakina.
I just got homework.
Your test got no more.
I said
What kind
I
of
got
English is that?
homework.
Speak in proper English, please, Sakina.
I said I have a lot of homework.
What? You go for a walk? What? Speak clearly.
Homework.
You got homework? Yeah, but giving you homework doesn't mean you don't prepare for the exams, right? Your exams are hot on your trail. Must plan, plan more. Come on, Sakina. Come on. You must level up. Okay? You are a Muslim student. You must level up. Some people want to be Chinese. No. I said no, don't be Chinese. Be Muslim. Okay? Because Muslim, you work hard and you follow the Islamic principle, inshallah. Okay? All the scholars of old are better than the Chinese scholars. The Muslim scholars of old, they're much better than Chinese scholars. Right? They are more polymaths. Polymaths mean they are good in everything. Math, science, English, whatever you name it, they are very good in everything. Okay? Okay, never mind. We just carry on. Okay, that was a test of your oral prowess, abilities, right? Your capabilities. Okay, let's go on. First, I want to go through your papers. First of all, now file. Jessie not here lah. So, okay. First of all, let me just share. Which one do I want to go on first? Norfal first, Norfal the first one that sent his paper. So I'll go in terms of who sent first. Let me just share Norfal's paper just to learn from it, these are common mistakes that everybody should learn, okay? Now we're talking about the situational writing. What did Naufal do right and what did he do wrong? The rates indicate the wrongs. It should be marked as green, sorry. So Mr. Tan, good, the address is there. Now, This is very important, huh? Can you take me up my suggestion to go to the animal shelter named Happy Zone for our class outing? Now, who are you? Okay. Remember, I told you the right. In the last lesson, I said you must identify who you are. You cannot just say, Mr. Tan, can you please give me $50? Then in the world, who are you? Why should I give you $50? Right? You must say, I'm Sally, right? Remember this, everybody. I told you the parts of the situation writing, right? Number one is the address, correct? Number two is you must identify who you are and the purpose. The purpose is there. However, you didn't identify yourself. That's why you are likely to fail for this, right? I told you for situational writing, it's easy to get 20, easy to get full marks, okay? Full marks. But you must follow the steps. Must follow the steps, okay? It's like mechanical writing, step by step by step. Actually, for me, it's quite boring. But then I prefer continuous writing compared to situational writing. But we are stuck with it, right? Because in the real world, these are all real life skills. No, people say, "Oh, you go to school, you're not learning real life skills." No, you're learning real life skills because when you go out from school, you have to write email for your bosses or to your bosses, right? You have to write email to your clients, you have to know all this. These are real life skills. Okay, that's why it's very, very mechanical because you have to follow the right steps. Or else even your client will say, your customer will say, who is this talking to me? Suddenly give me what? Who am I? Am I his cousin? No, right? So you must say that. Okay, now, so in terms of Naufal, let's go back. Your language is a bit weird. I had made the suggestion. Why? Actually, it should be past tense only. I made the suggestion. Okay. Even me and the others. What's wrong with this? Anybody correct? Naufal. Me and the others. What's wrong with that? This is where English teach you courtesy.
The
Okay.
others, the others first. Then,
Yeah. The others and
eh, wait,
the others and what? You must always put yourself behind, okay? Cannot be like that's why I say English teach you courtesy. You cannot say me and the others. You should be the others and me. However, that is also wrong. It should be the
the
others and
others and
I.
I.
The others and I will see. If it's at the end, then it's the others and me, okay? But in front, even in front, you don't say I and the others. Cannot. You must put yourself behind, okay? Be humble. The others and I. Okay, Naufal? Also, your one looks like an eye, right? Now remember, in try to spell out if it's until 10, 1 to 10, you try to spell out, okay? 1, 2, 3, you spell out ONETWO, okay? Try to spell out until the word 10 because after 11 quite difficult to spell already, very long, right? Ah, so you from 1 to 10 try to spell out. Clean the animals' living quarters. Now look at this. What's wrong with this?
There
The
are more than
placement.
one animal.
Yeah, there's more than one animal. So the apostrophe should be after S. Okay, Naufal?
Okay.
Naufal. So this you're referring to one animal. Are you going to that to watch just one living area? No, right? You're going to watch many. Okay, almost regards is good. Okay, I like this. Almost regards. That's good. And Sally. Who in the world is Sally? I still don't know. Okay. Sally a clown. Is is Sally a cat? I still don't know. Okay. They still don't know who's Sally. So Mr. Tan is like still sketching his head saying, who is this Sally? I want to suggest to go to animal outing. Okay. Okay, Alpha, can or not? Okay, good. Okay, so let's go to Irfan's one. Irfan is not file. No, Irfan. How come Alpha is still here? Let me check. Let me sort this out. Compo, close Naufal's compo. Let's go to, okay. Eh, who is this? Wait, I'm going something weird. Oh, okay. No, 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 this is not supposed to be it. I don't know why it's on. Hey, where's Irfan's one? Oh, I see, because it's a PDF. Okay, sorry for that. Let's go. Okay, Irfan's. Let's share yours. Let's see the learning points for Irfan's. Dun, dun, dun. Ayo, why does it still show Naufal's paper? I already closed it. Irfan. Okay, there. Okay, let's look at Irfan's paper now. Okay, you can see the method Irfan used, right? You should learn from it, huh? It's good. So the green reflects the good points. The red reflects the bad points. So you see how many red points Irfan has? Very few. Okay, good. Good, eh? But don't get cocky, okay? Don't get complacent. You must maintain. Okay, Irfan? But I gave him suggestion on how to level up. That means he must use a synonym. Can you see this? So you see there? Use a synonym. What does it mean? Let's look. Dear Mr. Tan is correct. The address is good. The address doesn't mean where you live, huh? Remember, address is how you address someone, okay? He identifies himself. I'm Sally, a student in your form class. You just need a sentence to just remember, to identify yourself, okay? I'm writing to, okay, now this is too long. I am writing to you to persuade you to take up my suggestion. No need, right? I'm writing to give my suggestion. That's all no need. Be concise, okay? Because I told you the more you write, the more mistakes you tend to make. Make it concise, okay? I'm writing to give you my suggestion. What's wrong with that, okay? Then again, he used the word suggestion and then he repeat the word suggesting, right? What other words can you use as synonyms? I'm suggesting, or what else? Another word that you can they can use start with R. R, E, C. Hello, anybody? O, record? No, not record. Hello. It's a common word. M, Sakina.
Recommending.
What? Sorry, Nafal?
Recommending.
Yes, correct. Correct, Nafal. Nafal and
You know
Ifan said.
I'm
Okay.
Naufal.
No, both of you say yeah. No, Nafal didn't say. I thought it was Nafal.
No?
Okay.
No,
Okay,
no, no.
recommending.
No, I
Recommending.
forgot to on my mic, but never mind lah.
Same word. Okay, good. Because I saw his lips. He was like saying recommending. Okay, recommending is correct. Another word. What other words? P.
No, but
Ah.
Irfan say first. Irfan say first.
Alamak, so good. So nice of Nafa. Very good. I love that. Okay. Very good. Ethical. Okay. P R O. I am what? Pro. If I want to marry Sakina, this is what I say. Sakina, I want to. Just kidding lah. Sakina, no, I just want to check. Sakina, I can't see your face. What happening? Hey, don't raise your back. I thought it was your fun. Astaghfirullahaladzim. So scary. Why do you at the back there? PRO what? Quickly. What's the word?
Uh,
I'm recommending.
proposing.
Proposing. I'm proposing. I'm suggesting. I'm recommending. Three words enough already, okay? So you can use different words, right? My proposal, my recommendation, my suggestion. See, try to use a variety of words. Then the uncle will say, wow, this boy or this girl, she or he knows his stuff, right? He or her stuff. Okay, good. So the rest is all good, eh? What he does is good English, etc. I'm not going to go through that, all the green ones. He get all of that. My recommendation is, or my proposal is, try to separate the paragraph because it's too big. Okay, the paragraph is too big. So separate them into two separate points. There are so many points here, right? Every point deserves a separate paragraph. Or the most 2 points. Okay, this one is too many. Too many points in one paragraph. Okay. So try to separate them. It's good. It reflects the body content, but it's better if you just separate them. Okay, good. Very nice. I hope that you will take up my suggestion. Easy, right? Very easy. Easy peasy. That's enough already. Yours sincerely, Sally Lim. I will give him, let's say upon 20, right? I will give him like 17 marks. Because he made some here, right? 17 or 18 now. Okay, because it's easy. Situation writing is where you can score points. Okay. Okay, good. So that is fun. So stop the share. Wait, I switch off and leave side. Wait, leave. Okay, so we stop the share. Now we go to Sakina. Now I will do a live one because Sakina, I received a situation writing very late last night. So we'll do the live marking, eh? Let's see. Share. Sakina. And Sakina, she type it out. I want to see your handwriting, Sakina. Let me see. Wait, it's gone lah. Wait, hold on. Let's go, wait, I open up again. Sakina. Sorry, it closed, it shut down. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. Never mind, she type it out, eh? Next time I want to see you write out, because I want to see your handwriting as well, okay? How good is your handwriting? It's important. Okay, because you're not using typewriter or computer for exam, right? Okay, let me just share. Where's the sharing function? Let's switch off again. Share. Okay, let's do a live marking of Sakina's paper, okay? Okay, good. Now let's see. I'll switch on my. Where is? Oh, sorry, I cannot do this. I must use a hint. Because she gave me a JPEG. Must use Paint. Open with Paint. Okay, let's go. Now, okay, let's do it. I have to share this. Okay, so you see this? Okay, I switch on my touch. I have touch screen, which makes it very cool. Okay, dear Mr. Tan, so it's green. Okay, good. Address is correct. I'm Sally, your student. This is another one that you cannot say just I'm Sally, your student, eh? You can is correct. You identify yourself, but be a bit more specific. Like Ifan says, I am your student in your form class, right? That is a bit more specific. Because you know why? A teacher has many students, right? And many classes as well. So he needs to know which one Sally. Maybe he has three, four Sallys. You don't know, right? Sally, the shy one, Sally, the one with spectacles, Sally, the one who is short, Sally, the one who is a bit bigger, right? You do not know. So you must identify yourself, which Sally, okay? I'm writing this email to make a session for the class outing. Okay, good. Okay, then this one, Sakina, you separate them into paragraph, right? This is the beginning. Just state who you are and state the purpose in short. Then you go on to the next paragraph, okay? I would like to suggest going to an animal shelter called Happy Zone, okay? Have you be able to learn how to take care of animals there? Okay, to take care of animals there, you have the article there of the animals there. Okay, that means better, but still okay. At the home, what at the home? I know what you mean at the home, right? But this is quite inappropriate. Okay, you should say at the shelter. Okay, Sakina should be at the shelter, not home. Okay, I know what you mean. For example, but that is applicable to humans only. For example, old folks home, right? The orphans home can, but for animals we say shelter. We'll be able. This is a matter of vocabulary. We'll be able to do simple tasks. I know you mean by this is like a synonym, right? But in this case, it's not appropriate. You just use shelter better. Simple task, good. Such as okay, another word for simple task. Be
Easy.
huh? Sorry,
Easy.
easy. Okay, good. Okay, I can accept that. Easy. Another BAS. I.
Basic.
Yeah, basic task, basic or simple task. Such as helping. Helping, two more words that are synonyms of helping. A and A. Helping. ASAI. Hello. Sakina and Nofal and Ifan quickly. What are synonyms of helping? Helping is so basic, right? Helping ASAI.
Assisting.
Huh? Yes, assisting.
Assisting.
Very good. Excellent, Sakina. Another one is D, aiding. Okay? That's why
Mm.
we have first aid. First aid, why? First aid is first assistance. Okay, you help out. Taking living of the animals for our classmates without pets, good. This opportunity would give them should be green. Should be green. This opportunity. This opportunity, of course, a synonym would be chance. Okay. Would give them a chance. Alright, come on, this would give them a chance. This opportunity would give them a chance. Okay. So it's quite weird, right? You're using two words or the same synonym there. Actually, you should just cancel out this one. Okay? Cancel out this one. You would give them the chance or opportunity to interact with the animals there. Can you see that? Okay, so you take out all the same words. As for our classmates that do have pets, this will serve as a useful reminder for them to be good. Okay, good. At the home, put the shelter. Our friends will be able to develop a quality which is to be responsible. Okay, okay, good. Can so next one. Again, just like Ifan, I would suggest break up into two paragraphs. Too many consider. Too many points. Okay, there. I hope that we consider my suggestion for the class outing. Very good. Excellent. Yours sincerely, Sally Ang. Okay. So for this, I will give you, let me see. Upon 20, I will give you dun, 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 dun. Okay, because you're using okay, basically it's good. Okay, I will give you about 17 also. Okay, 17 upon 20. Ifan maybe 17 or 18. But for you, Sakina, I'll give you 17. Okay, good. Excellent. Okay, good. Close, save. Okay, so we've gone through all three. Now we go to something else. Let me see. I didn't put up the documents for us to go through. Okay, we're going to go through a paper, but first of all, I want to teach you something about composition. I want you to level up, right? So level up means, right? You want to see something? I'm doing a book now. I am now doing this book because I'm presenting this at Madrasah Al Arabiah next week about podcasting. Okay, students podcasting. So I say, this is my cover. Drop the mic, leave the Ummah. Okay, the ultimate guide, step-by-step guide for Muslim students to podcasting. There is no book right now that concentrates on Muslim podcasting. Okay, so this is the first book for students. If you want to buy, can very very cheap, $50. Just kidding. I'm giving for them like free of charge. Not free of charge lah, because it's part of the price for the package. Yeah, ebook, and ebook. Okay, never mind. Later I'll tell people how to buy this. It's the only book on Muslim podcasting. Okay, because I believe we Muslims have a lot of potential, right? Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. Go. Okay, I want to concentrate today on how I want you to level up. Okay, I know you have your exams next week, but this is also important for your composition. I want to level up as in how do you combine two sentences together. I'll give you an example. Uh, dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I have to go down. Quiet, quiet. Please, quiet. I'm trying to concentrate on my tuition. Okay, now look here. I sought the help of sought mean I search for. I look for help from ChatGPT, so my job will be easier, faster. So I'm not ashamed to say it because I want to be fast. And it helped me a lot. Okay, ChatGPT helped me a lot. But of course, not for when you do composition, you can't do it. I cannot. Don't do ChatGPT. Okay, I only do it in terms of for my exercises. But original work I do myself. Okay, let me try to share. Okay, this example, this what I mean. Many of you, right? This what you do. So this from ChatGPT. Instead of doing things like this, he was tired. He continued working. Right? You do two separate sentences. Or he was raining heavily. They went out for picnic. He studied very hard. She failed. This actually sentence synthesis, right? Sentence synthesis, right? When you combine them together. However, I want to test you on make the sentence synthesis, but the word that you link with, the word that you use to link with must be at the front of the two sentences. For example, give you an example. He was tired. He continued working. So when you combine them together, you put like this, right? He was tired, full stop. However, he continued working. Or you also may put he was tired, but he continued working. Right or not? I want you to do it. The linking word should be at the front. So for example, let's say, although he was tired, comma, he continued working. Can you see that not? You put the word in front. Why do I do this? Because later when you do composition, every time you do like that, he or she or I, right, at the beginning of sentence. When you do this, right, your sentences become more varied, more entertaining, more lively. It's better, more lively, okay? So although he was tired, he continued working. Okay, I want each of one of you to try, okay? Or orally. I'll give you it. Let me just, I'm trying to, oh, I can't. Okay, first of all, Irfan, since you're first on my screen. After Irfan, Sakina, then Aufal. Okay, Irfan, can you link sentence number two using a linking word in front?
Leave or picnic.
Can you repeat that, please?
Even though it was raining heavily, they went.
Okay, good. You're breaking up a bit. Okay, never mind. Okay, so correct. Even though just now I use although, right? Although I can even use although I can use even though it was raining heavily, comma. Don't forget your comma. They went out for picnic. Okay, good. Next one, Sakina, number three. You cannot use although. You cannot use even if. You cannot use although.
She
You cannot use
studied very
although.
hard but failed the exam.
Again, sorry.
She studied very hard but failed the exam.
That is correct. But I told you it must start. The linking word must be at the front, not at the middle. I don't want you to start the sentence with she studied. She. I don't want that. I want you to use a linking word in front. You cannot use even though. You cannot use although. There are two more options you can use. Can or not? It starts with D or it starts with I. The words linking words start with D or it starts with I. The second one has three words. I, then something, two more words, and then the D is just one word. Who knows? Who knows? I know it's quite difficult. I just want to test all of you. Irfan or Nafal? Nafal, you go to toilet again, ah?
Despite
fine.
studying very hard, she failed the exam.
Again, Sakina, again.
Despite studying very hard, she
Very
failed the
good.
exam.
Excellent. See, good, very good. Despite studying very hard, comma, she failed the exam. Now, another one to put is in spite of. I, right? In spite of studying very hard, comma, she's failed the exam. See, makes your sentences better, right? Okay, number 4. Naufal. You must start at the beginning, not in the middle. You can use despite, in spite
Although,
of. Sorry?
although,
Okay. Give me the full thing lah.
although the phone rang several times, no one answered it.
Okay. Don't forget your comma, several times comma once. Or if you want to use despite the phone ringing
Also
several
can.
times. Yeah, despite the phone ringing several times, comma, no one answer. Okay, got. Next one, Ifan, number 5.
Even though Tom is very outgoing, his brother is quite shy.
Okay, good, even though Tom is very outgoing, his brother is quite shy. This one is a bit weird. The examples is quite weird. Never mind, never mind. It's still okay. Okay, number 6, Sakina. Can you use in spite of, please? In spite of. This is a tricky
Mm.
one. Sakina always get the tricky one. I don't know why. Okay.
In spite of playing well, they lost the match.
Almost correct, Sakina. In spite of playing well, they lost the match. Almost correct. Who can correct her?
Despite playing well, the team lost the match.
Yes, they should be converted to the team. Okay, Sakina? See, don't, you must identify, right? In spite of playing well or despite playing well, the team lost the match. Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, last one. 7. Naufal. This is quite cute. I don't want you to use although or even though. You can either use in spite of or despite because that's more tricky. That's trickier. Despite.
Despite the team played
No,
well.
number 7 lah. Number 7. Sakina did number 6 already. No.
Wait. Number 6 is the team thingy or number 7 the team thingy?
The team thingy. Number 6 is the team thingy.
Oh, okay, 7.
7.
Well, I can use what? Despite, is it?
Yeah, you have to use either despite or in spite of. Although or even though too easy for you.
Wait. If I said like this, despite not bringing an umbrella, he didn't get wet.
Yeah, correct. Very good. Very good. Despite not being able. I want to say the word that you instead of didn't, despite not being able. Okay, excellent, Nafal. You did very well. Okay, we skip the rest because it's the same thing. I can see you all got it well already. But I'm going to use some exercises. Okay, ready? Now, this is from, can you see this or not? Levels of difficulty, the word levels of difficulty. Okay, good. I can see. Okay, now, we are going to, no, not this one. Okay, we are going to use this one. Chiti, no, not chiti. Wait, I'll do it this one first. Okay, we are going to use this. I'm going to do only the ones at the front, okay? This one in the middle, I don't want. For example, the piece of wood hit the man on the head. Then, however, he wasn't injured, right? Nevertheless, he wasn't injured. Okay, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use in front because it mixes two sentences together. Okay, the first one will be Ifan. What do you think should we put here?
Even though.
Even though or although, right? Let's see the options. Even though. Okay, good. Okay, Sakina, number 2. Sakina, what are you doing over there? Your head suddenly go inside the screen. Hello, concentrate. There's a mistake there. There should be a
Despite
punctuation there.
is
Yes,
great
very good.
qualification.
Despite or in spite of, Despite or in spite of. Very good. There should be a comma there. Despite his great qualifications, comma, he couldn't manage to find a job. Okay, good. Next one, let's go to the no more D, right? So we close this. I just want to do the ones with the beginning close. Okay, next one, Naufal, your turn. Number 7. Number 7. This is a tricky one. It's not going to be despite, although, even though, in spite of. It's a different one. You have to think of another word. Cannot, Nafal? No? Okay, who can help? Who can help? Who can help Naufal, number 7?
After.
Yes, after. Let's see whether the option is there or not. It's not there. It's there, the downstairs at the top lah. You can use it. After he read the instructions, he knew how to operate the DVD recorder. There should be a comma there. So it should be after. See all these, right? As soon as, because, by the time, just as once, just as once, when, what. These are all the things that you can use for your linking. Okay? For example, like this one, right? Before John got back, they had repaired the roof. Okay, so these are all things that you can use. Okay, never mind. So we close this one because there's no one at the front. How about this one? Okay, let's try again. Ifan, your turn again. This one's quite easy because we did it just now.
Despite.
Yeah, despite or in spite of, eh? Despite or in spite of. Okay, good. Okay, now, Sakina, number 3. Concentrate, Sakina.
Despite feeling unwell.
Despite, Despite or in spite of. Okay, so in spite of. How come this one is got 2 options? In spite of feeling unwell, you went to school. Man, just put this despite. Okay, now remember, I want you to concentrate. You know why? Because when I call you, you can answer. Of course, you can answer, but it doesn't sink into your head. If you concentrate, then because the flow of the lesson is such that you must not multitask when you follow a lesson. Okay, if you concentrate on different things, the lesson will not sink into you. Understand or not? The barakah is not there. Okay, so when you follow the lesson, for example, just imagine you go to ngaji class, when the others are ngaji, then you read a comic book. Cannot, that's not good, because you know why? When the others are reading the Quran, your soul, your brain is absorbing the atmosphere, the environment, right? It will help you learn the Quran, for example, right? So the same thing also, right? When you have a lesson, like you, Naufal, and Irfan, all of you together, I'm addressing all of you. Concentrate on the lesson. Then the barakah will be there. The environment, the atmosphere will let you seep, the information will seep into you, the value of the lesson will seep into you. Else it will just flow like water over a rock. Okay? Okay, now, number 5, Naufal's turn. I like this one. It's a different one. Naufal always get the weird one, so also. Naufal, I'll give you a clue. One of them can be S. Start with S.
Since.
Very good. Since you don't have that much money, or because you don't have that much money, you also can, But because it is less likely to be at the beginning, okay? Because usually it's in the middle. So since you don't, let's see the options. Okay, since, okay? Okay, good. So number 8, back to Ifan.
We haven't put the scenes yet.
Okay. Astaghfirullahaladzim, this boy. Okay. Number 8. Thank you. Number 8. Ah. There are several options here. You can use more than one word. Something different.
Not only, not only she is.
Cannot, right? Not only, yes, correct, but it doesn't fit the sentence structure. There are 2 options in my mind. Start with O and start with A. Both of them have 2 words inside. O and A. Can or not? Anyone want to help Irfan now? Naufal and Sakina want to help? It starts with O, it starts with A. There may be other options, I don't know, but these are the 2 that come into my mind. I see the option, Okay, since no one is answering, I give you the options. Ta-da. Okay, there's another
addition
option here.
to.
Yeah, in addition to, or you can also put other than starring in a few films. Other than, or you can also put apart from starring in a few films. Okay? So the point is, I'm saying that the point is when you do your composition, right? Or when you synthesize uh sentences, try to put the linking word at the beginning. Okay, because it will make your sentences sound separate from the rest. Okay. Other than say he did this, she did this, I did this. So you change to apart from, although, even though, right? Despite, after, okay, before, okay. So you do that. Understand or not? So it's the whole purpose of this exercise. Understand or not? Do you understand or not? Okay. Hey, there's some more. Okay, there are two more. I want to go through all so you can learn. Okay, good. This one is number one. Back to Naufal now. Okay, this is good. So you see, there are more. There are more words that you can use to link up your sentences from the start. Naufal, the answers are there. Substitute inside. Hello, substitute inside. What is it? You're doing the dance. Ding, 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 ding. The shoulder dance. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, come on, quickly. Substitute the words. Okay. What do you think should be the answer?
Uh, even though.
Even though our larger cars, you know, it doesn't sound right, right? Even though our larger cars more expensive.
No,
Okay,
serious,
okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay, good, good. Okay, the rest, anybody wants to try?
Not only.
Not only, okay, not only are larger cars more expensive, but they also cost a lot to maintain. Okay, so that's another option for you to use in front. Number three, Sakina, your turn. Sakina, your turn. This is also another one you can use, eh?
No sooner had we moved in.
Very good.
Eh?
Yeah, correct, correct. No sooner had moved in, than our neighbor started complaining about the dog. Okay, yeah, you can use that. Number five, Ifan.
Even though.
Just even though, although, okay, we knew who the murderer was, we enjoyed most of the film. Okay, now for number six. This
Uh,
is a nice one. The space should give
no
you a clue, right?
sooner.
The spacing should give you a clue.
No sooner.
No sooner is so short. How can you fit the
Yeah.
space?
Well, under no circumstance.
Yeah, under
Yeah.
no circumstances must be door be level. It's a very nice word, right? Very nice word you can use to start a sentence. Okay, last one. Sakina, number eight. Sorry, I can't see the word. Okay, there. Number eight. Number eight. Time, I got lost in time. Hello, Sakina. Give you 5 more seconds. Five, four.
Only if
Only if we book today, we will get a 50-cent discount. So all these, even though, however, in order to, no sooner, not only, only if, and under no circumstances, you can use all these, okay, to to link your sentences together in a more lively way. Okay, the last one is we chitty bang bang. Okay, that's just very quickly, because the words, this is advanced, no, this advanced one. Although now it's the year, okay. Who can answer quickly? I give it. I may open. Who can fight for the point? Wow, quite difficult. Okay, who can do it?
Despite.
Despite now in its third year. Okay, the structure is quite different, right? But it's correct, eh? Oh no, 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 no. There's another one better.
Although.
Yeah, although now is the year. Okay, that sounds better. This is quite a difficult sentence, but it should be although. Okay, although. Why? Because you know why? Despite must always be followed by what? By a noun. Okay, despite must always be. For example, I say despite failing to study. Failing to study is a noun. Okay, despite her determination, she lost the race. Can you see that? So after despite or in spite of, always a noun. Okay. Number. Okay. This one. Anybody?
As.
Yeah, as everyone knows. As everyone knows, correct. You know I didn't put this one here. Despite. Okay. We just go to the ones that in front. Okay, this one. How about this one? This one is very fast, right?
However,
Yeah, however. Huh? Okay, how about this one? This is the one.
despite.
Yeah, despite, right? Because after that is a noun. Okay, despite the fact is a noun, right? So you can see the pattern, right? As I told you, English has patterns, formulae, etc. Okay, that's it. Good. So we skip that and we've done with the connecting. So the lesson is try to use more connecting words in front of the sentences because it will make your composition sound better. This is how you level up. Okay, different from the other students. Understand or not? Don't start with normal. He is tired because he took part in a marathon yesterday. So you change with um, he was tired because he took part. Then you put as or since, right, in front. Since he took part in marathon yesterday, he was today very tired. So that's how you change, huh? Man- Okay, amen. Okay, that's it. So that's it. So now 9:22. Good. Now we are going to go on to a paper. We're going to do a paper now. Okay, let's do a paper now. Because your exam is around the corner, right? Let's start with the paper. Where is it? Where is the paper? The paper is gone, 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 gone. Eh, kind of paper is gone. There, okay. So this is a 2024 paper from Nanyang Primary School. I saw it was quite difficult. Good. That's why I'm asking you to do it. And everybody tell me why is the paper called foolscap? Why in the world is called foolscap? Huh? I don't understand.
Additional materials.
No, I mean, why is the paper called foolscap? Full of all the things that you call paper foolscap. Why is full? Why is it got to be full? Right? Is it what?
Foolscap is more like that paper that got lines.
No, I know, but why is it called foolscap?
I
I
don't
mean,
know.
why is it not called underlined paper?
Yeah, whoever invented it must be a.
So
No,
you
I
look
don't
for the
know.
origin. I love to know the origin of words, right? Foolscap is foolscap. Did a fool invent it? I do not know. Can I forget it?
Ha
This
ha
is what
ha.
English
Very funny.
interesting, right? So you can find out. Okay, never mind. We start now. Open house one later. This paper is good because it includes the topics of our conversation. Now this one, right? Making a difference. Continuous writing, making a difference. Now you see, I like it because you know why? It gives you three pictures. I don't know what in the world is it. You see the topic is making a difference, but it shows you a classroom. It
Hmm.
shows you a someone, I don't know what is this, a bully and a boy or brother, a big brother and a boy, and also the calendar.
Hmm.
Interesting, right? So it's interesting because my mind is trying to figure out a plot. Okay, this is nice. This is kind of composition where I cannot figure out what the topic is among the other students. Usually, when you see the topic and the pictures, you know, oh, the other students are going to write like this, right? But in this case, I do not know.
Hmm.
Okay. So that's what I like about this paper. It's very nice. Okay, never mind. This one is the later if I give you a compo, but I don't think you have time because you need to prepare for other papers. But never mind. I just want you to think about the topic. Make everybody knows what the phrase means, right? Making a difference.
To make
Hello?
a difference. That's
Huh?
the meaning.
Make
The
a difference.
meaning of
Yeah.
making a difference is to make a difference.
That's why. So it's like I just want to know that you all know know the difference, right? Make the difference. Because you know why? As a translator, as a professional translator, even I don't know how to translate to Malay. Making a difference, membuat perbezaan. No, totally different. Okay, so if you don't know the meaning, tell me now because it may appear in your exam. Okay, make a difference means you do something that improves something else. Okay, you do something that improves something. For example, oh, you are a student, you make a difference by asking the others to join you in a campaign, right? Everybody pick up the litter in the school. You make a difference. Example. Okay, never mind. We go to this now. Let's go to this one by one, eh? One by one. Okay, number one, start with Irfan again. Irfan, make
Number
it
four.
bigger. So fast, ah. Okay, hold on. Let me just put the marker. Okay, good. If Andrew prefers, the keyword is where? Prefers, right?
Difference.
So you know it's singular and it's present tense. Therefore, it has only to be the opposite. It must be opposite, right? So prefers doesn't he? Why? Because I break up prefers into what? To make it clearer, always break up
Does.
into, yes, does prefer. Can you see that? So, Andrew does prefer, therefore it must be doesn't he. Easy or not? There's a formula. Okay, you pick it up. Nafal, Sakina, got it? Okay, because Ifan got it right. Okay. Nafa, number two. Neither of the girls.
We are number 2.
Neither of the girls are looking forward. Okay, right or not? Who knows the answer?
Number one.
Number one, okay, the answer should be number one. Hey, Mr. Rahman, but it's girls. It's saying, right, neither. Neither means not her, not her, not her, not her. That means one, 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 okay? When you say neither of the girls, you put it are, you're talking about groups of girls, groups of girls. This group of girls, this group of girls, this group of girls, the girls, right? So it's not correct. Neither of the girls is, okay? Is. Now, it's next Sunday, so it's present tense, huh? It's also saying next Sunday, right? So it is not was. Okay, how do you know? Okay, if I say either or, either of the girls, right? Then you will know it's singular. But because it says neither, right? Therefore, it's saying it's a bit complicated. But neither of means is referring to one girl, one girl, one girl, one girl. Okay? That's why the answer is, eh? Okay, interesting, right? You know something new, right? That's why I like this paper. Okay, third one, Sakina. Number three.
Mr. Beast.
Much cash.
Yes,
Much
good. I did
cash.
not have much cash left to pay the bills. Okay, this is quite straightforward. Okay, Irfan, next one. If you want explanation, please stop Mr. Rahman, okay? I don't want to. Okay, what is the bulk? The bulk means what?
A lot.
A lot, eh? A lot of his salary. The bulk. If it's, that means if it's more than 50%. Okay, maybe 70%, 80% of his salary. Impulsively means what? Means that means he just instinctively, eh? That means he just do it. You know, he doesn't even think about it. He just goes and buy. Expensive watch. He saw an expensive watch and he said, I must have it, I must have it. A Spider-Man watch. Yes, I must have it. So then he spent it. Okay? No good. Do not do that. In Islam cannot. Necessity is important. Okay, number four. Whose turn is Ifan? Ifan.
Number three.
Number three. If, okay. But what if there was an option new? Which one would be correct? New or had none? Ah,
Uh,
interesting, right?
That none.
Had known again. Because why? Because we have left the house later. Right? This is past tense. Therefore, this one before the past tense, it should be had known. Okay? Understand, eh? You know, understand or not? Everybody? You're not nodding. Sakina, understand or not? Like Sakina, I'm explaining, you know. Don't repeat the mistake, ah. Okay, number five. Nafal. Okay, good. Ifan got it right. Nafal.
4.
Hmm. Definitely wrong. Because when you use although, right, you're actually saying they're conflicting. They're different.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah, you read properly. I know it's a long sentence. Then first you must slow down, eh? Now first you must slow down, okay? Each
But
point is
if
important.
but if 4 is wrong, my
Hmm?
answer is 1.
Yeah, answer is one. Okay, since Janice has been awarded, everyone's confident she made a good effect this year. Okay, they are confirming each other, right? It's positive. This one is positive. This one is positive. How you know how you do it is very simple, right? You just use now. You just use max. Use max, Mister. What do you mean by use max? This is positive, right? Janice has been awarded the role model for 4 years in a row. Is that positive or negative? Positive, right? The next one, everyone is confident that she will make a good effect this year. It's also positive. Therefore, positive and positive cannot be although or despite. Although and despite only if plus minus. It's only plus minus. Plus or minus plus. Despite, no, although she is a bad student, negative, she was nominated as a prefect, positive. Can you see that? Despite being a bad student, negative, she was nominated to be a prefect, positive. Okay, so despite although are negative and positive. So it's like max, right? It's like max, okay? Once you apply that, inshallah, English becomes easy. So I'm still trying to write the English is max book. English is max because it follows formulae. Okay, number three. Who's turn? Sakina. Okay, Sakina, your turn. Number six. Wow, okay, this is quite interesting. There are two contextual clues there. No, three contextual clues. I must cheer her on because this one's about basketball. Cheer you, Sakina. Which one? Sorry, Sakina. Five more seconds. This is a 10-second question. Actually, it's 5 seconds question. Five, four. Come on, just try. T two
One
is okay. Right or not? Anybody has a different answer? Ifan and Nofal. No, right? It's is because why? The first clue is winning the basketball championship is just one thing. Okay, it's one. One now. Abstract, but it's one. Goal is also another singular, right? And finally, next year shows that it's present. Okay. Okay, good. Present tense. Okay, good. Excellent, Sakina. Okay, next one. Ifan, your turn number 7.
Oh,
So fast, huh? Shortage of eggs, right? No other answer. Okay, that's okay. Now remember, owing to can also be substituted by what? Owing to
because
can be
of.
because of or due to. Okay? Can be either owing to, because of, or due to. Okay, number 8, Naufal. This is interesting. Oh, what
Number
question?
4.
Number 4. Okay, good. Who's Sculpture. Usually, if it's a noun here, then the one preceding it, or before it should be who sculpture. Prestigious. Give me more antonyms and antonyms. No, more synonyms with prestigious. Prestigious can be what? I'm also trying to figure out what prestigious. I know what it means, but a word that is really close to it. What's prestigious? Prestigious. What is it? Try to explain. Anybody knows what's prestigious? No. Okay. No wonder.
Is
Okay.
it prestige or something?
What? Sorry.
Is it prestige or something?
Okay. It comes from the word prestige, which is a noun. Prestige means, for example, he's a person of great prestige. That means he's of great honor, great fame. Okay, like former, like that means the national art competition is something which is very famous, and also the person who wins it, right, will be very very popular or famous. Okay, that means
Honorable.
it holds great value, prestigious, but it's not valuable. It's not valuable. It's like something which is of high importance, high significance. Okay, of high significance. Okay, good. That means when I talk about it, hey, last year I won the national art competition. Oh, everybody will say, "Wow, that's so fantastic! How did you win it?" But if I say, for example, if I say national art, last year I won the national art competition, then everybody will say, so what? That means it's not prestigious. You understand or not? Something that everyone knows about it. They hold great value over it, right?
And
They
it's super
perceive it.
famous.
Not so famous is very important. They know that it's of great significance. Okay, of great significance. If you win it, that means you're very good. If you win it, that means, for example, the Nobel Prize. You know about the Nobel Prize, right? Nobel Prize is something which is prestigious. Every scientist wants to get it. Every known person wants to have the Nobel Prize. Okay, because it's very prestigious, of great value, of great significance. Okay, but I can't think of a word synonym for it, a good synonym for it. Okay, never mind. So number 8, number 9, Sakina.
expect one.
Based on his team's performance, knows that he should. Yeah, good, because should never tense, It should be neutral. Poor performance. Okay, give me another word for poor. I don't like poor. It's such a
Bad.
weak word. What?
Bad.
Bad, even worse. Even worse word. Bad
Awful.
performance. Even worse than poor. What? Sorry?
Awful.
Awful.
Yeah.
Awful is a noun. That is like the shit word. I know you put the word SHIT better. Despite his team's SHIT performance, but you cannot put it, or the word can be SHITTY, okay? But you cannot use it in composition, don't, huh? Not stop. Okay, what? Start with
Mm,
D.
mm, mm,
D,
mm.
I is a better word. S, another three
Disrespect.
letters. This aspect, no, no. M,
Dismay.
almost correct. Dismal, okay? Despite his team's, based on his team's poor dismal performance or poor performance, there's a better word than poor, okay? But bad is even worse, okay? Awful even worse. The worst one that you could put SHIT even worse, okay? Okay, now can carry on. Number 10, so Nafal.
Ikut semua.
Wait, sorry, who's turn, 9. Should
My
be
turn.
Ifan's turn, right? Ifan's turn, yeah, 10.
Let the injured elderly lady.
Remember the formula? Remember the
Isn't
formula?
isn't it supposed to be called, but there's
Again?
no
Eh?
option of that. There's no option that says call.
Yeah, that's an option. Okay, what the answer should be? What should be the answer? Ifan.
Call.
Call. Yeah, correct. There's no answer for that, huh?
Hmm.
We spotted an error inside the paper.
Exactly.
See, even Nanyang paper has mistakes inside.
Hmm.
So the formula is what? If it's a verb, and then there's a noun. This whole thing is a noun. And the next one should not have any test, eh? Call for help. Okay, everyone? Good, right? So good. See, we apply max easy, very easy. Max in English. What should I call the book? English is max or max in English. English max better. English is max better lah. Okay, got. Okay, number 11, Naufal. Yeah, Naufal, sorry. This is vocab. Human social diffusion and oh, interesting. Okay, good. Very interesting. I'm not sure whether you know the meaning of number 4, right? I think you know insights, limitation, restriction. What is number 4? Is it something to do with cockroaches? Encroachment, cockroaches. What's the answer? Naufal, why do I see your palm so big?
Number two.
Number what?
Two.
2. Does it make sense or not? Limitations on natural habitats. Let's look at limitation on natural habitats. I know you're trying, right? Do you know number 4 what it means or not?
Encroachment, no, I don't know.
Okay, good, good.
Hmm.
How about anyone? Don't know, right? Okay, now this is a good question because I bring it up because why? If you have 4 options and you don't know what one of them means, right? What you do is I told you, you substitute the words inside, and if they don't make sense, then the one that you don't understand must be the answer. So and insights on where's the thing? Insights on natural habitat doesn't make sense. Limitation on natural habitat. What does that mean? Limitation on natural habitats. I also don't know. Restriction on natural. Why should we restrict natural habitats? Right? They should be even encouraged. So the answer must be number 4. The answer must be number 4. If the areas do not make sense, just try number 4. Now, what does encroachment mean? Encroachment mean, for example, I give you a diagram. Okay, let's say this is the natural habitat. There's a hippopotamus there, the worst hippopotamus ever. There's a lion there with a mane, right? So they live there. And coach mean, for example, if this is man, right? This is you. This Irfan, this Naufal. Let's draw Sakina there. Okay, there's Sakina there, right? So what you do is, you go inside. You go inside. That means you take up. Let's say you say, Mr. Rahman, I want to build more land. So you take this part of the natural habitat, right? You use this part to build your house. So you're encroaching upon their property, right? They're encroaching upon their land, okay? Their natural habitat. That's what I mean. That means you go inside, you take away. For example, you're a trespasser. But not only you trespass, but you take the land away, okay? So that is went by encroachment. So when you say encroachment on natural habitats means men coming inside, then they take the land away from natural habitat, okay? Does that make sense? So another word for encroachment will be infringement. Maybe you know this word. Okay, infringement. Infringement. That means you go inside the area, okay? You trespass. Okay, good. Number 12, who's turn? Okay, Sakina, your turn, number 12. Remember, it comes from the word encroach. Encroach means to trespass, to infringe, to take away, something like that. Okay. Okay, number 12, Sakina.
Discreetly. 3.
Wanting to disrupt the speech by the guest honor, Sheila left the term discreetly. Okay, good. Okay, discreetly is that means what? That means another word for discreetly is
Silently.
what? Sorry?
Silently.
Silently? What?
Swiftly.
Silently.
Silently.
Okay, discreetly may not mean silently, but it's okay. I can accept that. Or quietly, so better. Quietly doesn't mean as quiet as silent. Okay. What does visibly, you know, right? Visibly, oh, you put on a clown hat, then you go around. It's also you're visible. Obviously, also the same thing as visibly. What is boisterously?
Noisily.
Very good. Noisily. Boisterous is the another word for another synonym for noisily. Okay, discreetly, another word for discreetly will be S-U-B. See, this is not a common word. Subtly. Okay, subtly mean how do you pronounce the word subtly? You don't say subtly, not subtly. No, eh? The B is silent. It's from the word subtle. Subtle means you do things such that people don't notice. Yeesh, wow, you're very subtle when you do this thing. So when you pronounce subtle, you don't pronounce the B. You don't call it pronounce as subtle. This for oral. Let's say you read inside the passage, right? Subtle. You should be subtle, not subtle. Okay? Not subway. You pronounce the B, right? Subway. No.
Subway
Subtle.
Surfers.
Subway. Stop this boy. Okay. Actually, I don't know what subway surfer.
It's
That
a
shows no
game.
interest. Oh, it's a game somehow. Okay. Never mind. Okay, good. Thank you for your general knowledge. Okay, sharing. Okay, number 13 will be Ifan.
Resist.
Although, I mean, evidence he could not. Huh? What's your answer? Oh,
Resist.
Wheezy is, I heard easy. Okay.
Mm.
Easy is eating another big slice of. Okay, good. Heavy lunch, you know, right? That means he ate a lot. The rest of the words, you know, right? Deny, assist, ignore, resist, ignore. Okay, that's quite simple. Good. Okay. Next one, Alpha, 14.
Roaming at where? Oh, I think it's a bit.
Huh?
Number 1.
I think it's a bad idea to. Okay, good. Bring up. Bring off. I never heard of bring off. This is a weird one. I never heard of bring off. It must have a. Of course, it must have a meaning, but I never heard of bring off. Okay, bring up means you you open up this complicated. You bring up, that means you talk about this complications. Okay, you forward it. Bring along, you know, right? Bring about means to cause. Bring about means to cause. Okay, why do you the bring about the death of the dinosaurs, for example, right? By no. Why do you bring about the death of the cat by introducing the dog? Okay, you bring about the death of the cat because you introduce the dog. So the dog clawed it to death, right? Beat it to death. Okay, bring about means to cause. Okay, to cause. Bring about something. Okay, next one will be that's a phrasal verb. Good. 15. Sakina. Mm. Boisterous, you know already, right? Boisterous means noisy.
Mm.
Sorry?
Compliant.
Compliant, Compliant. From the word comply, right? Comply means to obey. Any words you don't understand? Anybody? What's
Fresh.
brash?
Carefree.
Sorry? Carefree. Carefree means you don't care about the rules, okay? You don't care about the rules. Yes, she's a carefree girl. She doesn't care if people call her call her names, okay? She doesn't care. She's a carefree girl. Okay? She doesn't care. Carefree, lah, that means that means carefree means doesn't care. Lah. It can be a good term or it can be a bad term, okay? Carefree means she doesn't care what people think, right? That can be good, right? What is brash? Another word for brash? Brash can be wild or rude, okay? Can be brash or rude. Well, so brash of you, to talk like that to your teacher, okay? Another word for defiant? Defy, from the word defy. It can be rebellious, Rebellious. You like to defy people, right? Rebellious. Like to rebel. Okay, next one will be back to Irfan. Oh, no more. Okay, good. To my least favorite
Well, where?
part. Okay, then we just go through, eh? The purpose is to infect computers. This is your thinking process, eh? You must find a word that is the same, almost the same meaning as infect. Okay, infect computer, let's see what the options. Affect, effect, distort, destroy. You can
Number
infect.
one.
Number one, affect. Okay, infect means affect. That means it can change it in some way. Okay, good. I agree with you. Okay, number 17. Naufal malicious. Malicious websites created to serve the purpose of cyber criminals with bad intentions. Malicious, your options are benign, hostile, harmful, believable.
3.
Malicious, let me see,
Chung chung chung
malicious,
chung chung chung
malicious
sahur.
websites. Okay, that's why I say it
Chung
must be
chung chung
closest in meaning. What is benign?
sahur.
Benign is it a good or bad word?
Chung 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 chung
It was
sahur.
a chung 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 chung. Why is it chung 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 chung? Hello.
I don't know what's that. I don't know what's birai.
Benign. It's
Chung
pronounced as
chung
benign, okay?
chung
It's weird.
sahur.
Okay, what, Mr. Rahman, how do you pronounce benign? Do you see this word or not? How do you pronounce it?
Sign.
Sign.
Sign, right? So it's almost the same meaning as benign, right? So that's how I know, benign. Okay, so remember I told you if in
Wait,
oral,
does it mean it's like the opposite of sign?
of course not. Okay, oh no, different, totally different. I get to my point. If you come across in oral, right, you read a composition, you read the passage they give you cannot figure out how to pronounce. So you compare it to other words that they are almost same in spelling. For example, benign, the spelling is also close as sign, right? That's why I know it's benign. Okay, then that's the actual pronunciation. Now benign means good actually. Good for you. It's benign of him to help people. Okay, that means benign means good. Now you put harmful, right? Malicious website, actually the meaning is hostile, with bad intentions. Actually is actually that's why I don't like this passage, because this exercise, it can be hostile or harmful. Both close, okay, very close. I do not know which one is it. I'm not going to go to the answer sheet, because as I said, this one can be all over the place. Okay, anything can take place. I think it's hostile. Nafa says it's harmful, because malicious is more of hostile. Okay, if I say you're so malicious, that means you're so hostile. It's not harmful. Malicious is harmful is different. But in this case, it may also mean harmful. Never mind, it's okay. We just go on. I don't want to dwell too much on this. Okay, number 18, inadvertently. Children who visit these websites might inadvertently download malware. Malware is something not good, okay? So what is inadvertently? Sakina, they may inadvertently download malicious software.
Accidentally.
And yeah, correct, accidentally. I was thinking of unfortunately, no, not unfortunately, Accidentally means inadvertently say, alamak, I downloaded something bad, daddy. Okay, so yeah, accidentally, inadvertently, okay, good. Number 19, that one is clear. Number 19, back to Alpha, right? To protect against malware, parents can restrict their children's access. Restrict.
Wait, isn't it my turn?
Huh?
Huh? Yeah, isn't it
It's your
supposed to be
turn.
different
18,
turn?
18 is 18
Sakina.
is Sakina lah. So back to Ifan lah. I say Ifan,
Yeah.
right?
Then why you
No,
say
you say
Ifan?
Naufal.
Oh,
When
sorry,
it's
sorry, sorry.
different
Yes,
turn.
I got confused. Sorry, sorry. Okay, Ifan, your turn. Sorry for that. Restrict their children's access. Parents can restrict their children's access. Limit object, impose, monitor.
Limit.
It's quite easy lah, Limit. Okay, good. This one is clear. Okay, good. Excellent.
Once.
Okay, now for number nine. No, number 20.
20. I cannot see where.
Hold on now. Wait, I'm showing you the thing first.
Okay.
Children seek to their permission before downloading files from verified sources. From the word
Verified
verified.
means can, not legal.
Okay lah. So which one is it? 20. This one very clear.
Number 1.
Number one. Why you say number one? You say it's a legal, etc. Why you put number one?
No, because I cannot see what number 1 is. It's like fair something bull.
Okay, interesting. Okay, can it be popular or not? Verified sources.
No, cannot.
Okay, can it be dubious?
Do Oh, that one I don't know what dubious is.
Okay, interesting. So you don't know what the meaning of dubious. So I assume you don't know the meaning of fallible. How about established?
Established means like it's like published or something.
If I say Mr. Rahman is an established figure in the Malay community, what does it mean?
Famous.
Famous, that means as in not actually famous. He's saying that Mr. Rahman is well established. That means the Malay community trusts him,
Or
right?
like trusty person.
Trustworthy person. Okay, trustworthy. So actually the answer should be established.
Oh.
The sources, right, the websites are established. That means they are verified. Okay, now fallible means what? Anybody knows what's the meaning of fallible? If I say Prophet Muhammad SAW is infallible,
Cannot fall into a trap or something.
cannot fall into the trap. No, fall doesn't mean to do.
Uh,
Okay, something like that lah. Okay, okay. Let me frame it in Ifan's words. Infallible means Prophet Muhammad SAW does not make errors, does not make mistake. He does not fall into error. Everything that Prophet Muhammad SAW did, right, is all like correct. So that's what I mean when our prophet, even our prophets, right, they're all infallible. But if I say he is fallible, that means you are capable of making mistakes. Okay, all of us. Sakina, Naufal, Mr. Irfan, Muhammad Irfan, Daddy, also got Daddy, Mr. Rahman. We are all, see, I'm fallible, right? I just made a mistake. I just made a mistake. So we are fallible, we make errors, okay? So fallible means you are capable of making errors. Everybody, no one is infallible. Everyone
Mr.
makes mistakes.
Irfan.
Yeah, no, because I was looking at your names, right? Sakina Nafan, then I saw Muhammad Irfan, then I saw the MD as MR. So I want to Mr. Irfan. And then I call myself daddy. Because you're all my children. Okay, no, I get it. Okay. Dubious means, right? Dubious means you suspect it to be not to be worthy. Okay. For example, hey, I received this letter, but it says it's from the Ministry of Environment. But I look at it, the letter does not seem to be from them. I suspect it's not from them, right? Dubious. So that means you say is something wrong with it. You suspect suspicious. Okay, can also put suspicious. Okay, another word synonym. So you know some words today, right? What do you know? What do you see? The words that today. Hey, do you know the meaning of distort or not? Everybody? I forgot to ask you. What does distort means? Distort means you change into something bad. Okay, for example, you distort the facts of the case. Okay, for example, you say, "Oh, Sakina is a good girl. You know, she comes to school regularly on time, right?" And then someone says, "No, no, no, she's not. She doesn't come to school on time. She always comes to school half a minute later." Then someone says, "No, are you distorting the facts? You're changing the facts into something bad. It's a bad word, eh? Changing the facts negatively. Sakina doesn't come to school half a minute later. She comes right on time. Okay. So distort means you change it for bad. Okay. Benign, give me what benign. What does benign mean? Anybody quickly? Hello, remember not? Benign means oh. See, don't remember. That's why I say I must reinforce.
Good.
Must repeat. It means good.
Oh, good. I thought it
It
was
means what it means good. Okay, it means good. Goodness. Okay. Okay, the rest can. Okay, now. Okay. Fallible means you are capable of making mistakes. Dubious means suspicious. Established means it is trustworthy. That means it's done. Okay, good. So, indeed, oh no, 9:55 already, is it? Okay, I just go to the part where I think it's important. Go to sentence, if there is, sentence synthesis. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we do editing, then we do sentence synthesis, then that's it for today. Okay, quickly. Whose turn is it? Who did the last one? I forgot already.
probably the file.
No, I just start with Ifan back. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I've seen this before. Okay, a unique and what beverage?
Intriguing.
How do you spell?
Intriguing.
How do you spell? I-N.
INTRU.
Okay. Everybody spell intriguing in the chat now.
Integrate.
Intrigue is from the word intrigue. Okay, so now it's intriguing. Intriguing. Okay, let me see. Who people have sense? Okay, Ifan wrong. Sakina correct. Naufal become intricate. Oh, is this intricate? No, not intricate lah. Intriguing,
Intrigue.
okay? From the word intrigue. That means it's something which is
Wait, is it
very
intrigue then the
attractive.
GUE?
Hey, no, no, no. There's a you see my spelling. I already sent. Can you see that?
Hmm. Yeah.
Intriguing. From the word intrigue, I spell you for intrigue. Okay, it means something of very. It's like very something very attractive, very enchanting. Okay, very attractive. It attracts your interest a lot. Okay, intriguing beverage. Beverage means drink, right? You know. Okay, how about a small native? Okay, Naufal, a small
What?
native, a small
Native
number 40, a small animal native.
animal in.
No, not in. I think I don't know why is this wrong, huh? I can think of one other lah, but I prefer this
Exactly,
one.
I thought it's off.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
thought it's
exactly.
okay,
Why
right?
is it wrong?
Yeah. Another one, and
Hmm.
then alternative is from. Okay. From Southeast Asia, but I prefer off actually. I don't know why. Okay, never mind. Okay, Sakina, number 41. Look at the contextual clues. There are two contextual clues. Two contextual clues. One from the previous sentence. Quickly, Sakina. This is a 10-second question.
Us.
Sakina. What? Sorry?
Us.
Yeah, pass. There are two contextual clues there. Number one is this. That means it's not singular, it's plural. Number two, the contextual clue is from the previous sentence. The civets selectively eats. Present tense, right? Present tense. Okay. So you must look at the previous sentences as well. Okay, Nafal, number eight, no, Ifan, sorry. Ifan, number 42. Mr. Ifan, number 42. This then passed to the civets digestive system.
Which?
What?
Which?
Okay, which, eh?
Which?
Which. Good. Excellent. Which. Yeah, okay. There's another answer, but I don't want to say it because I don't want to confuse you. Okay, never mind. Naufal, number 43. This one is a spelling mistake. Aromatic. I think when spelling you all try. Okay, everybody,
A romantic.
spell now, spell now, spell now. Aromagic, aromatic. AERO refers to aviation, right? Aeroplane. Aeroplane, okay? One more minute. Oh, one more minute of class. No, no, I feel so sad. Okay, everybody?
I feel so
Okay,
emo.
excellent. Good. Let me see. Uh, Naufal correct. Sakina correct. Okay, everybody get correct. Very good. Aromatic, eh? Very good. I won't repeat it. Excellent. Aromatic means another word for aromatic is what? F R A. Let me see who said this.
Fragrance.
Hmm?
Fragrance.
Yeah, fragrant. It should be an adjective, eh? Fragrant, not fragrant. Fragrance is the noun. CE is the noun. Okay, good. Okay, next one, Sakina. No, this one can all do this because this involves spelling. Okay, what should be the answer for number 44? Okay, Sakina
Family.
correct. Very good. What is this, Mister Ifan? What is this? Okay, Sakina spell correctly. The best. Whenever spelling, I will ask you to spell. Come on, quickly, 10 seconds. 10 o'clock already, quickly. Good, Ifan correct. Nofal,
Uh,
type out in the chat. Tadang, 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 tadang. I'm finishing. Not throughout, wrong. Okay, I'll give you the answer now. Thoroughly, okay, it should be thoroughly. It's actually an adjective, thoroughly. Tara. From the word Tara. There. Thoroughly. Okay? Okay, Nafal? Important. Okay, I just give you the answers for this. It should be unusual. Unusual. It is noticeably.
Noticeably.
Okay, for the word notice, right? Now, the interesting thing about notice, right? You just spell out notice and then you just put ably, okay? Noticeably. Noticeable from the word notice become noticeable and then noticeably. Okay? Next one will be with a hint. Yes, very good. You can tell me the answer. Okay. Due to the what?
Popular.
Popularity is a noun. Due to always followed by a noun. Okay. Popularity. Unfavorable, of course, is unfavorable. There's a lot of spelling here. For the word favor, right? Remember favor, you spell with Favor, not VOR. That is American spelling. For us, Asians, we spell as Favour. And finally, with some producers confining, eh?
Confining.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. Wonderful. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you want homework or not? Lovely homework.
No.
Everybody says homework. Nafal, you want some homework?
Yeah.
Okay, I give you one homework only. I give you one homework only, okay? I want you to do the sentence synthesis. Can or not? Okay lah, it's important. Sakina, only one
That's it.
section is important.
That's it.
Why Sakina keep shaking her head like a donkey? No, don't. Stop being a donkey, Sakina. Be a human being.
That it.
What? You call me daddy?
No, is that it?
Oh, that's it. Okay, that's it. Because I know you're having exams, okay? So
Okay.
just one section, do sentences. Not now, okay? Today, then you send to me. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
I wish you all the best in your exams, right? Okay, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu alla ilaha anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal asr innal insana lafi khusr. Illa allazina amanu wa amilus solihati wa tawassaw bil haqqi wa tawassaw bis sabr. Okay, take care. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Daddy signing off. Oh, Sakina say okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye Sakina, Naufal, and Ifan. Take care. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Okay, bye Naufal.